The Horizons in Medicine program is a program offered for high school students, and it is offered every summer. The application always opens up around the springtime, and it's available for students who are juniors and seniors in high school to be able to participate in it. It's a wonderful and interactive program, especially if you're interested in the career of medicine, and you'll be able to meet medical students, physicians, and admin on the Boonshoft School of Medicine's team.
So I heard about the Horizons in Medicine program actually from my dad. He was an alum of the program. He did it back when he was a junior in high school, and so when I started to express an interest in medicine, he said that I should look into it. So got on the website and applied.
I think for me, my favorite part of the Horizons in Medicine experience was really just being able to be exposed to individuals in healthcare. I'd never really met any medical residents, any pharmacists, individuals that were attending physicians. So being able to have conversations with them about what their experience was like, what it was like being in medical school, how they studied, how they managed their time, that was really eye-opening for me. Along with being able to shadow actual doctors in their offices. I think that was a really big thing because I'd never done that. And it showed me that I loved talking to patients, I loved interacting with patients, and I really wanted to pursue a career in medicine.
So in the classroom during the program, it's basically an interactive environment. So we try to mirror it to how we do things at the Boonshoft School of Medicine, and in that way we try to make our classes interactive, not like boring lectures or anything, but an actual opportunity for students to get to know each other, get to work on questions together, and actually gain the material. And then the other half of the time is actually spent in the clinic. So each student gets paired up with the physician, and each student experiences a little bit different, but in general, we basically teach them how to do basic things like blood pressure work, just getting weights and heights, and how to handle yourself when you're talking to a patient. And some physicians will let the students do that, which I think is pretty cool. As a student myself, I was able to do that.
I would tell students who are considering the Horizons in Medicine program to look at it as an opportunity to learn more about themselves, figuring out if healthcare is a field you want to go into and what aspect of healthcare you want to be involved in. We got exposed to a lot of different professionals. We talked to nurses, we talked to pharmacists, medical students, attending residents, surgeons, so we really got to meet every different aspect of the clinical care team. I think that it's a great opportunity to really figure out if this is something you're interested in, to open you up to different sciences and understanding the body, understanding medicine. And I really just think it's a great opportunity to learn during the summer and figure out if medicine is a career path for you, and if so, how to get there step by step.
It was such an amazing experience, an amazing opportunity. You will learn so much. There's chances to shadow, there's chances to research, there's classes that you get to take. Definitely take it. By the end of it, no matter if you decide to go into the medical field afterwards or not, you'll learn so much through the program, and you'll have a better idea of what you want to do with your career, because you'll have seen and experienced what medical school may be like, or what taking medical classes in some capacity is going to be like. And so it's a great opportunity to figure that out.